Hello, this is Nagaraju Velle. I'm here to perform my sa4 video task. For this, I'm going to share my screen. Uh, yeah, here you can see that we are already given with a model class called video game. The schema for the video game is like title, which is of string, and year, which is of integer, publisher, which is of string, and genre, which is of string. So here you can see that this project also already included with the validation and video games controller class and roles and actions for the index page. So this is an index page. For this, the roles and the view templates are already created, and a route is set to a route is also set for the index page. So these are already included in this project. Our main task is to create a new video game object such that we can create a new video game object. Then we need to create a button at the bottom, and when we click on that, it should redirect to the new form page where we can give the information for new video game and add it to the database, and we need to destroy the video game object. So for this, we need to create a delete button here, and just when we click on it, the video game record should get deleted from the database. So for this, I'm gonna follow some steps. For this, let me clone the Git code given by the professor Yeah, let me direct to my workspace. Now let's just me go clone the code given by the professor, git clone. Into the folder called sa4-video. Let me direct to that folder. Now we are on the main branch. We need to, as per given, we need to switch to the branch given by this. So video game -db. So just use my split screen. Yeah, git switch. Yeah, now we are on video game -db branch. Let me install some dependencies and initialize my database. The model files are unchanged. So here we are asked to create new video game objects. So for this, I'm gonna follow some steps. Yeah. So at first, we need to create a new form. For this, we need to create a page called new page. For that, we need to set the roots. So for this, I'm gonna open my roots for a file. Yeah, here you can already see that a route is set for the index page as video games. So now I'm gonna set route for my new page. So get, yeah. So let me check it whether the route is set or not. Yeah, there you go. Say the get underscore video stream hyphen new. So here you can see the URL route is set for that. Now let me just run my local host, start this server. Yeah, there is no any controller action for new. We need to create a controller action in our the controller page. So let me do that. Also, yeah, here you can see the the index function is already defined. Now we need to just define the new function. Need to just under the new page. And also we need to invoke the video game attributes. So this one is done. Let me check whether this one is working or not. Uh, yeah, no, let me just sort my server. Yeah, template is missing. We need to create a view template for the new page. So let me create that. Mhm. It is space views. So I'm moving into views folder to create the view. Now code space. Yeah, let me just give me hi to check whether this one is right or wrong. Render new. There is some error in this. It's still showing as missing template. Okay, I need to create my video games folder in the views. Then I need to create this new .html IRB. So this one is not good. Yeah. So I need to create a video games folder. Oh, CD space video. No. Let me check this right now. Yeah, this one is working right now. So I need to create like 4 columns such that we need to give the information for the video game record, and the one should be get like created here. So mm, just grab this code so quick. Yeah. Here you can have this code for the new to do item, but let me create like this. Create new video. Yeah, we need to give the schema of the video game model. So let me go ahead and grably check the schema for this model. Here you can say title is a string, there's a text field. Next, year. So let me just give me year here. It's like integer field. And then the one is like publisher. And the one is like text field again. Since it is again a string, yeah, this one is good. Then I need to create one more attribute. Quick zone equal to f dot text field, and this one is like general. Yeah. So let me check whether this one is rendering or not. No. Rails. There is some error problem. Yeah, here you can see we have done this. So we need to add the bootstrap for this. Yeah, that's done. Now the main task is to write. We need to create video game. When you click this button, it should redirect to this new page. And we need to when we give the information about a particular video game and click on the button, it should automatically get created and should be displayed in this index page. So for this, let me just first create a button for this. Let me go to the index page. So let me grab to add. CD space. We need to open index.html. Yeah, okay. So index. Yeah, here you go. So here we need to create a button, and when we click on this button or like a link, it should redirect to that page. So let me just take this statement and create a link. Link to create a new video game. Link. It should redirect to the new page. So new underscore video game underscore path, and then plus I need to run my server. Yeah, here you can see the button is created and it is redirecting to the new page. All right. So now I need to give the information or need to create a record for this. So let me give a name like GTA White City. Here it was like 2002 and publisher is like Marcus Ronald and genre is like it's action video game. So here you need to create the post route and then when you create the post route, it's gonna just got add to your database. So let me go and quickly do that. So let me open config.row.rb here. Here post video underscore games, comma two colon space video game video underscore games slash create comma as new create underscore video underscore game. Now we need next in the controller form we need to create give a code for this. Let me check first this. So Control C is S. There you go. Yeah, we need to create a code for create right now in the video games controller.rb. So def create and yeah, missing template. Okay. Now we need to just give the params and attributes in the create page so that it can grab the information. Dot new. We are giving permission for the attributes permit, and the scheme is like title. Title followed by year, followed by publisher, followed by genre. And we need to create like two. When the creation is successful, we need to give some code. And if the creation is not successful, we need to give some code. So here you go. If video game dot save, then like one code, else then like another code, and then end. So here gonna some code and here gonna some code. Yeah, let me grab this. If the record creation is successful, then upload new video in successfully added, and we just rewrite to the video games page. If else, then we're gonna give an error. We're gonna grab the error. Now let me check this. The server is in the running already. Uh, we do not run the upgrade page right here. Maybe. Yeah. Here you go. Here you can see GTA Vice City year 2002. It got created twice. Anyway, let me create the other one like Roadster. It is like 1994. Creator is like DC, and genre is like action again. You can see Roadster. Yeah, up to here we have successfully created the video game record. Now we have the spaces. Now we need to just delete this. It's just nothing but here we need to create a button. Here it's just like a line delete. Here we need to create a button called delete, and when we click on this, the particular record should be get destroyed and removed from the database. So now let me do that. So here we'll play the destroy options, and here you go. So let me just do the delete right now. So destroy the forms. Go. At first, we need to add a route for the delete. Then here you go. Delete video underscore games hyphen colon ID. This ID is like what we say, the record that should be deleted with a particular ID. So this is that. And two video underscore games slash destroy and destroy underscore video underscore. Yeah, we have created the tool. Let me check whether we have done the right route or not. So Rails. -E. Yeah, here you can see that like video games delete action with a particular ID. So we have done the right thing. Then we need to just create a delete button. So go to the index page. And here you can see that like delete is like a statement. Here we need to create a link such that when I click on that, it should the particular game record is deleted. So for this, we need to define the destroy action first. So it's just nothing but def destroy, and here at first we need to grab the ID of a particular record to delete. So for this, just finding those, we need to just delete it. So the rich video game dot destroy. This gonna make delete the particular record. Then if the deletion is successful, we need to just like give an a pop-up so that the deletion is successful. For that, flash success deleted successfully. And we need to redirect to the same page, redirect underscore to video games URL. Yeah, this one is done. Now we need to create a link in the index.html page. For this, Here given it is like here it is given that we need to write this. Yeah, this snippet in order to create a delete button in the index page. So here you can see that button to delete followed by here my destroy root is like destroy underscore video underscore game. So destroy underscore video underscore game underscore path to. Here the reference variable is g. Just use g. Let me check whether this one is working or not. Yeah, this is. Yeah, you can see the button is created. No root matches. Oh, not. Root matches. Yeah, we need to give. We need to mention the method and what kind of. So for this, um, oh, comma. Mhm. Method is like delete and then data. Let me save this and check once. Yeah. uh, yeah. Here you can see the video game is deleted successfully. This one. Yeah. So let me check the tasks again that I need to perform in this. So the tasks are like here my task. Make a new or create form for the video game objects. Yeah, yeah, I done like a new form for the your video objects. Here I can see. Almost 3,000. Here you can create the new video game object or the form, and this is a new page. Then the second task is to made the text create video game at the bottom of the index page link to new video game form page. Yeah, as per given. This is an index page. At first it was like just a regular line. Now we have made this as a link that redirects to the new video game page. So we have done this. Here it is mentioned as a link. So you can keep it as a link or a button, that's as per your wish. So if you give like in the index page here, if you remove this like button code, just save this and oh, I need to remove the comma, right? Sorry. Yeah. So now you can see. Yeah, here is just link. If you want to like make it as a button, you can make it as a button by giving it some styling. Yeah. Now here it looks like a button. And then uh, the third task is to make a destroy action for the video game objects. Yeah, I have made a destroy action for the video game objects, and this is a route, and this is the action. Whenever you click on the delete, it is getting deleted. And then the final task is to make the word delete in each row of the table on the index link, a link that will delete the corresponding video. Then yeah, this one is already done. We have made the delete as a link, and whenever we click on that, the new particular video game is getting deleted. So I think here my tasks are finished. So I end my explanation here. Thank you. I'm stopping my screen share.